Did you know that just 1 spoon of flaxseed powder daily can improve your health? Here are the top 9 benefits. Number 1. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Flaxseed is a great source of omega-3s. These fats reduce inflammation and support your heart and brain. Number 2. Good for heart health. It lowers bad cholesterol, raises good cholesterol, and helps prevent heart disease. Number 3. Improves digestion. Flaxseed is high in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Number 4. Supports weight control. The fiber keeps you full longer, helping to control your appetite. Number 5. Balances hormones. Flaxseed contains lignans that help with hormonal balance, especially during menopause. Number 6. Healthy skin and hair. Its nutrients nourish skin and hair, reducing dryness and slowing aging. Number 7. Strengthens bones. Flaxseed is rich in minerals that keep your bones strong and healthy. Number 8. Regulates blood sugar. It helps control blood sugar levels, making it great for people with diabetes. Number 9. Boosts immunity. Antioxidants in flaxseed strengthen your immune system and fight infections. Hence, adding flaxseed powder is easy. Mix it into smoothies, sprinkle it on yogurt, or add it to baked goods. Start with 1 spoon a day and enjoy better health.